Transport. Let's learn some common forms of transportation. This is a plane, a train, a car, an SUV, a bike, a scooter, a motorcycle in American English, or a motorbike in British English, a boat, a ship, a taxi, a bus, a subway in American English, a metro in British English. When we go somewhere using any of these forms of transport, we say bye. How do you go to work? I go by bus. How do you go to school? I go by bike. When we walk somewhere, we can say on foot. How do you go to the supermarket? I go on foot. Get in or get on. Remember that if you can stand on the form of transport, we say get on. For example, we can get on a plane, a boat, a train, a motorcycle. If you can't stand on the form of transport, we say get in. We can get in a car, a taxi, or an SUV. How long does it take? Remember the following question and answer patterns. How long does it take by train from Tokyo to Osaka? It takes 3 hours by train from Tokyo to Osaka. How long does it take by bus from Milan to Rome? It takes 7 hours by bus from Milan to Rome. How long does it take by car from Manchester to London? It takes 4.5 hours by car from Manchester to London. How long does it take by plane from New York to Florida? It takes 3 hours by plane from New York to Florida. It took. Dave drove to New York yesterday. He left home at 8 a.m. and got to New York at 2 p.m. It took him 6 hours to get to New York. Bella walked home from the party last night. She left at 11 and got home at 11:20. It took her 20 minutes to get home. Katie took a taxi to the library. She left at 3:15 and arrived at the library at 3:40. It took her 25 minutes to get to the library.